Today you will be creating an easy time capsule, preferably filled with positive and happy memories and fun times. You can create this with a lunchbox, a mason jar, or an envelope, any type of paper, markers, pens, color pencils, and you're going to need some pens to write with. Make this your own. You can write or draw anything that you would like, maybe your favorite things or things that make you happy. You can start off by writing your name. You can change colors of pens, color pencils, whatever you want to use. You could start outlining your name. You can outline it 3 to 4 times and then start creating shapes, something simple like triangles. And then by switching off colors or using the same color, it's up to you, you can start outlining the shapes 2 to 3 times. Next, you could draw a few polka dots and start outlining those, either with the same color or multiple colors. Once you are done doing a few of those, you could move on to hearts or any other shape and outline those as well. When you are ready, you can move on to writing happy, positive words. It could be anything that makes you happy, things that are your favorite. Be creative, whatever you want to draw, write on here. And then once you are done writing them in different directions around the envelope or whatever you are using, you could start outlining those as well. You could change the color or use the same color of your marker or color pencils. Once you are outlining, you are going to continue outlining around the same shape. It could be a square, squiggles, however you decided to outline your words. You can outline them as many times as you want. It could be 4 times, 5 times. And again, it could be the same color over and over again, or you could switch up the colors to make it more colorful. Once you are done outlining, if you remember other positive or happy words that you want to write down on your envelope, go ahead. I wrote things like family, friends, health, abundance, fun, faith, positive, love, and happy. Any other words that you would like to add on here, totally up to you. Next, you are going to start creating lines. Your lines will start connecting your shapes. It could be straight lines, or it could be swirly lines, squiggly lines, anything that's going to create a pattern. You can turn your envelope whichever direction you want to create those lines. It makes it easier to make sure that the designs are separate ways. Once you are done, you're going to write the date on the back so you can check back on your memories a year from now. Go ahead and outline it or create a box around it. You could use the back to keep drawing. You could keep doing patterns or start a whole new drawing on its own, or just write whatever you'd like. Other suggestions is writing your goals to yourself or a letter to yourself. You could include everything you love about yourself, what makes you amazing. Now that you made the outside reflect your personality, you can start trying to figure out what you want to put in there. It could be a picture. You can also include positive quotes, funny memories, a story, a reminder to yourself, something you achieved, or sketches. Maybe describing a trip that you went on, or just something that makes you happy. Add the date on it so you remember exactly when that date was, and then you could look back on it a year from now or in the future. You could add something in here once a day, once a week, once a month, or however often you would like. You could add magazine clippings and then just try to keep it secure and in a safe place. Then next year on March 15th, 2022, you could look at everything that you included in there within a year, and now you're going to have memories for the rest of your life. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video.